regular lake, so I'll just be safe.
Where's the Sespe? Interesting.
Tom Burdick's body was laying there in a pine box, but his pectoral stood up like a fence post, hard as a rock too, and it stood so tall that they couldn't put the lid on the coffin.
Yo. Little fella.
What kind of lizard is it? Oh, it bit ya.
Oh, he's feisty.
Oh, yeah.
It's a male.
Oh, look at that blue belly. Gorgeous.
I think that this is just a fence lizard.
Cool.
But there's other ones that sort of have little colors like this. Oh, that one got away.
Oh my god.
We wrangled a baby the other day. They're so cute. Look at his unamused expression.
Why not, man?
Oh god.
I'm so sore from head day, man.
It's okay. What are you making?
I think it's gonna be a shirt.
Cool.
We'll see.
Really?
True.
It feels like you're just like
One, it'll just like instantly start recording. But if you turn it on this way, it just turns on. You gotta turn it off first. They like go dormant, turn into eggs, and then when the lake is refilled again, they like are hatched to come back alive.
But it's just, I mean, isn't the water level just doing that?
Yeah, I mean over the period of decades, but yeah, eventually it will.
Service here, 2 bars.
Whoa. What's a raspberry bush?
Yeah.
You're camouflaged.
I'm camouflaged.
Has anyone seen Lucas?
No, they haven't. You can hear me.
No, they haven't. Look, he's playing hide and
Lucas! Lucas!
That might be kind of nice.
Yeah.
Can't really get underneath it. You can't soak your body, but
You could soak your
you
feet.
could trickle. I could.
Take
It's
those
kinda
shoes
mushy.
off.
Fence post.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to ask, so what do you do when you go bird dating? And like, what's the goal?
Or a bird.
Oh, a third one. It's crazy.
Bird.
The haze.
Wait, really? That whole ridge is Shed Island?
And you can see a small one on the
Yeah.
left too.
Yeah, I thought the small one on the left
I see the
was Shed
small one.
It is, and then the whole.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's been a mutiny. They won't let me cook because I'm sick or whatever. They don't want me touching the food. Whatever. Yeah, I'll figure out how to sit here and drink alcohol without being mad about it.
I'm convinced.
Bullshit artists. A little watery too, but
I can enjoy music. I can like how music sounds, even if it's sad. It might make me happy. Funkadelic. George Clinton, Eddie Hazel on guitar.
See that there's a
Bootsy
fungus
Collins on
that's
bass.
hitting 23 states right now that is flood resistant.
It's this whole album.
And then it will breathe.
You're a germ, I know. You're a germ, I know.
I have it.
Please, no, please.
Yeah,
No, really, I need to hear that. No.
Alright. I'll disappear, and if I don't come back, send a search party.
Does anyone have any salt? Salt circle. and then Sean won't be able to get in.
Oh yeah.
That looks awesome. Oh yeah.
Chili? There's gonna be nothing left.
Yeah, there's nothing left
It's gonna be a black
There's nothing left now.
That's like charcoal.
It's
Honey,
beautiful.
chocolate. Please and thank you.
Whatever do you mean? It's beautiful.
Squish it, please.
God. My poopy bear princess is taken care of.
Is there a plate, honey?
There's so many bees. Buttes. And, oh, hold on.